Hello and welcome to Lavonne's Kitchen. Today we are in the kitchen making egg salad. So I'm gonna get everything ready, and while I'm doing that, you know what I need you to do. That's right, hit that subscribe button and I'll see you in a minute. First thing we're gonna do is boil our eggs, and then we're gonna get them all peeled. Try and make sure there's no shells left on these eggs. That's very important. After we get them peeled, we're gonna chop them up. You could either chop them up in the bowl. Sometimes I chop them up with my hand with a dull knife. Leave that to the experts. You may wanna just use a bowl. See what I mean? Get them all chopped up. Next, we're gonna add our ingredients, which will be mayonnaise. We're gonna put some regular mustard in there, and then we're gonna put some black pepper and some salt. You can add a few other things if you want. Some people add relish or green onions, but that's all I'm gonna put for today. And then we're just gonna mix it up. And look at there, voila, we've got egg salad. And guess what? You can put it on crackers, but today I'm gonna put mine on a croissant, make me a sandwich. Just slice it in half and spread that egg salad on there, and I've got me a nice sandwich. Look at this.